How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We finally hit 100 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for subscribing. But if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today's video is going to be on the Buell. I know I've made a couple of videos on the Buell. We took it out for a little ride, this, that, and a couple of other things, so check those videos out. But today's video is going to be purely on the exhaust sound. I'm going to get right into it after this. A lot of future videos to come. Now that we hit 100 subscribers, I'm even more motivated to continue making videos on here. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a full reveal on every single bike that is in the collection. There's about 20 of them, so you want to stick around for that. So again, every Thursday you'll see a video. I just wanted to get this video out since I already had it, and I had a different one planned for this time. It's like every single video I planned to record for this channel ends up failing miserably. So yeah, it's been fun trying to get those videos out. Anyways, enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.